Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a giveaway. But first I'm going to give a quick shout out to Chains. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos, and if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So now for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away a Polygel kit to one lucky subscriber. The rules will be in the description and in the comments. Good luck to everyone who takes part. And now I'm going to quickly review on what you're going to get. So it is a mini Polygel kit. It comes with everything you need to do your nails. So the first thing that comes is a mini nail lamp. It's a 6-watt lamp with 6 LEDs. It's portable and it's really good. You can plug it into a power bank or a main plug. And it has a button that switches it on. And yeah, it's pretty good for curing, but it does take long to cure though. Next is the rest of the stuff in the box. So it has a brand card with instructions on how to do your nails and how to remove them, which is pretty useful. The next thing it comes with is a Polygel tube. It's got 50 ml of the gel inside, and I'll show you the color later on. Next it comes with a top coat and a base coat. They were good, there is nothing wrong with them. They are each 7 ml. Next it comes with dual forms. These are okay, but they are really curved, so it's better for shorter nails. You can also buy tips if you want longer ones. Next it comes with a 2-in-1 spatula and brush. The brush is really good quality and I really liked it. It comes with a nail file. The good thing about Polygel is that you do not need a nail drill. And one more thing about this kit is that it does not come with removal wipes, so you're gonna need to buy some. And finally it comes with slip solution. This is also a cleanser for your nails. So here's everything that comes with the kit, and now I'm gonna demonstrate how to use it. This is my first time using Polygel. I definitely recommend watching a professional doing this, but here's my take on it. So first I'm gonna apply a thin base coat to my natural nails, and then cure it for 60 seconds. Next I'm gonna pick out my sizes in the dual forms. So the sizes are quite big, so I did have to file some of them down a bit. Next I'm grabbing the brush, Polygel and the slip solution. I'm pouring some of the solution into the cap to act as a damping dish, and then I'm just gonna follow the instructions to make the nail. So I'm gonna grab some of the polygel with a spatula and then place it inside the dual form. And then I'm going to use my brush and the slip solution to mold the polygel around the form. I'm going to keep it thin by the cuticles and then press it onto my nails. So anything that squeezes out, just use your brush to clean it up and then cure it for 2 minutes. Make sure you smooth it out underneath. After it's cured, wiggle off the dual form. And you have a really nice nail. And then repeat for the rest of the nails. With this nail, I did need to do some patchwork because it's a bit uneven. Next, take some slip solution and wipe down your nails. This is to remove the tacky layer so you can file your nails. So here I am just filing and buffing my nails. And finally, I'm applying a top coat. So yeah, if you want to be part of this giveaway, check out the comments ASAP. If you are a child, please make sure you have your parents' permission. And if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. Bye!